This is video number 2 of the 2 fans in the Airbnb. And this one's very beautiful. There's only strings attached to the blades. It has a Casablanca control. And yeah, apparently it's on reverse. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there's a weird piece of dirt in there. This pretty much looks cool. It's the least I can say. Can probably hear them. Here, yeah. I have tried on high. Oh, listen to that. Okay, my hand's on the switch. What's that sound? Yeah, well, I have no idea what that sound is. But yeah, there's 2 fans in the Airbnb. How cool is that? Can tell that that's a Casablanca. It's a 4-piece canopy, maybe even a Casablanca control. Then yeah, it's a Casablanca. Thanks for watching and have a good time.